caramel pecan cinnamon rolls. Listen, I know you're gonna love them. I have an easy cheater way to make these. I'm not going homemade, guys. I'll just tell you that right off the bat. I have the cinnamon rolls in the can, but we're gonna level them up by using these beautiful, awesome, amazing pecans from Pecan Pantry by the makers of the smoky pecan pellets that I use in a lot of my videos on that wood fire grill, right? These are high quality, tasty, beautiful pecans, okay? They're not like the ones you get in the grocery store. These are better, all right? And I'll put a link down below. You check them out. But I've used these in a couple of cooks, not films, so just on myself. Tried them, got a handful, eat them over a snack. So hit that link down below and give them a try. Now, simple. We got the canned cinnamon rolls, we got the grands, right? Got our pecans. We're using a little caramel sauce and a cup of cream. Gonna get it in the oven. It's gonna be beautiful. Let's go ahead and get started. Come on down here and let's build this dish. Just getting that caramel sauce in there. I'm probably just gonna use this whole bottle. And what the heck, right? We're here for a good time, not a long time, you know what I'm saying? And this is a 16-ounce jar. We're gonna get our little pecan halves in there. Just throw them around haphazardly. More than likely, they're gonna slide off when I pull out the cinnamon rolls anyway. If you want to take time to line these up and make them pretty, knock yourself out. All right, nice and nutty. Got our grands cinnamon rolls. Has Cinnabon in it, not bad. All right, let's get this open. We got 2 cans of these. This is the part I hate. Is it gonna pop? Is it gonna? Anticlimactic again. All right, we popped them open. Let's get them on there. We're just gonna smush those on. I'm giving them a good smush down into the pan. They'll puff up, they'll do what they're gonna do. A little extra cinnamon on the side here. Last thing we're gonna do is pour our cup of cream in there. This is gonna make it so luscious and luxurious. That looks like enough. We're going with a half a cup of cream. All right, we're gonna get these bad boys in the oven, 350, 20-ish minutes until it's nice and golden brown on the top, but it's eventually gonna be the bottom. I'll see you in a second. Fresh out the oven. Let's make some magic here, what do you say? I'm using a little prep tray thing here. You guys got a platter, knock yourself out. We're gonna give it a flip. Cross your fingers. We're just gonna let it sit for a second. You can see it releasing everything. It's hot. Take this off. Careful, it's a little steamy. There we go. There you go, guys. Look at that. Ooey gooey. We gotta get some frosting on that because it's not sweet enough as it is. And you know we gotta go on with a little bit of that icing that was with the cinnamon rolls. Because it's sweet, baby. All right, I'm gonna give me a little corner piece right here. Guys, that is looking awesome. I can't wait to get a bite. All right, y'all, time to get down on a bite. Got a big old fresh pecan in there. All that caramel, awesome sweet cinnamon roll. What's not to love, baby? So easy. You gotta make this. Y'all, this is perfect for those holiday get-togethers when you have people over for breakfast or brunch, right? If you wanna make some homemade cinnamon rolls, listen, knock yourself out. But for me, those grands by Pillsbury, hey, they work just as well, fraction of the time, and you know your boy's not a big baker. Listen, if you wanna get some of the Pecan Pantry pecans, I'll put a link down below. You check it out, all right? For knives, cutting boards, merch, any of that stuff I use in my videos, links are all down below. If you'd like to become a show producer like all the awesome people scrolling in front of me right now, people that love a good caramel pecan roll, that's right. There are 2 ways to join up. Either you hit that Patreon link in my video description, or that join button right next to the subscribe button, which you should have already hit by now. But other than that, guys, we're done. Listen, I hope you have a wonderful, wonderful week. Thanks for stopping by. Thanks for cooking with CJ. Take care.